Hey guys, Nate Doc here, and welcome back to Lake Conestee Nature Preserve. Now for today's video, we're going to check out the River Bluffs Trail, which is a trail that we're currently on. It's about 2 miles long out and back, and the hill you can see behind me is the old landfill. Don't really know about the trail besides that. Looks pretty cool. Check it out. You can see the snow on the side of the trail. We had a bunch of snow. I think they said it was just over 7 inches last week, and that broke the record that was set in 1965. We are now on Lafferty's Loop. It's just off the River Bluffs Trail, and it has access to the Reedy River. We are now on a side trail called Bobcat Sleuth. And right over here is the Reedy River. We are back on Lafferty's Loop. I think we're about halfway done with this side trail, then we'll go back on the other trail. We are back on the River Bluffs Trail. There's an observation deck up ahead somewhere. We're on the River Bluff Overlook now. And there's the end of the trail. Alright guys, that's all time out for now. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I will see you guys later. Bye.